It's been a while since I've been here to this building. Last time I was here, I was working on all these railings right here. The people that were installing them, they scratched the top corners, like where they meet together right there at the top. They scratched them all up and had to repair like 50 of them. But today is just a couple of scratches. There's this one right here, and then that one right there on the outside. So got a scissor lift in here to do the outside. Fun. Should almost. All right. All that is gone. Now, just get my scratch stick. $188. $500. Wasn't gonna go with bigger disc, but well, it's already stuck to it, basically. So. So one thing about working in like these tech offices and stuff is that, I mean, it's still under construction, but my goodness, they still have it set for like people are just sitting around Googling. It's hot. It's hot. There we go. Now, I'll let it sit for a second. Cool off. I think because it's pretty thick, it's dissipating the heat pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna go for it. I don't know. My tripod is my cerium oxide bottle. I don't think there's any in this one. Maybe enough. Maybe enough. Basically dead. Almost. I'm gonna go over it one more time just to make sure. Polished. I'm gonna clean it off with a polish that leaves it more hydrophobic or slick. So it's thick. Like new glass. Done. Done. All right, all done. It's right there. Dot on the outside. There we go. That dot is on the outside.